Hello Tiger family, this is Principal Michelle Campbell. The CPS district is trying something new this year and we would love your help in making this a success. It's called You Uplift and it's a virtual platform for positive messages. The messages can come from the kids, parents, staff, grandparents, anyone, but they are all anonymous. All you will have to do is click on a link that the school will provide via Facebook or on the school webpage. Once you submit the message, the administration will receive notification and we have to approve those messages. This is how we can be sure that all the messages are positive. Some examples that you might want to type are, "Best of luck on your history test, Sarah," or "Congratulations to the varsity football team on their first win." Maybe there's a "Mr. Muxlow, thank you for hiring the best high school principal possible." These messages will go to our school webpage and also on our media stations here in both buildings. Yes, this is for the elementary and the high school buildings too. I have a quick clip that came from the You Uplift. Please watch it. It explains it a little better.
There was a positive messaging and display platform just for an individual school, where all the students, faculty, and even parents could go to submit positive, uplifting messages about one another, where they could go to submit positive content of any kind whatsoever. Pictures, quotes, memes, animated GIFs, even videos. And what if this system could 100% guarantee that only positive content of each school's standards would ever become visible? And finally, what if the system were built in a way so that if a student were willing to go in and submit a positive message to help uplift a classmate, that the student writing the message wouldn't get any credit for it? No likes, no shares, no retweets, no reposts, no recognition of any kind. Because if they wanted all that, then they can do it on regular social media right now. But if they use this platform, it would be for one reason and one reason only. Just to help someone else. Introducing YouUplift.com, the world's first and only 100% positive messaging and display platform just for an individual school.
Okay, so we have the technology, but we are missing all the positive messages. So please help us out. Let's make this the best year yet for all the kids. And remember, once we submit that link out, please keep it handy and use it frequently. Thank you.